Defender 90 D300X, the highest spec factory model produced by Land Rover with the highest powered diesel engine, that D300. Very few of these available on the market. This is a 73 registration. It has only done 16,000 miles from new. It's then been exterior styled with wide arches, pod lights, side ladders, storage boxes. It's also got an electronic deployable tow bar. But if you compare this to the very few that are available, the colour combination on this car is incredible. Silicon silver with vintage tan and ebony duo interior, but it's the mileage as well. 16,000 miles. Your ones that are available on a 73 plate have done 25, 30, 35,000 miles, and they aren't in this colour combination. They don't have the extra styling, and they don't have the mileage as well. So this is an incredible high-spec Defender 90. Now, in the simplest way possible, they just come with absolutely everything. From factory, they come with a contrasting bonnet, black pack, called Climate Pack, which is two different options of heated jet washers, also heated steering wheel. The wide arches have then been put on properly, so they're being applied in the right manner, so then it just gives that car a little bit more of an aggressive feel. 22-inch wheels finished in gloss black, and then the red brake calipers just symbolising this is a Defender X. Now, when it comes to the interior, have a look at this. So not only does the car look absolutely beautiful inside, it then comes with absolutely everything. So you've got heated and ventilated seats in the front, ClearSight rear view camera, heated wheel, adaptive cruise, the larger media screen, sliding sunroof, refrigerator under the armrest with a wireless charger just in front of that. Absolutely everything. If you then have a little glimpse into the back as well. So the 90 is still a very spacious 5-seater. It's just obviously on the shorter wheelbase. So for me, it would probably be the preferred one, just a little bit easier to get around town centres and whatnot. Side ladders, side storage box on the other side, rear spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover. Now at this point, D250 and then D300 would have been the highest powered diesel engine. Air suspension, standard. Electronic deployable tow bar, so might not appeal to everyone, the tow bar, but if you do have a use for it, then perfect. You just save yourself £3,500 from Land Rover. But not only is this car a head turner, because with a Defender, you can make them look different and unique pretty easily, but with this, it then has that factory spec to back it up as well. And then you get to the interior. I absolutely love vintage tan, but I like the way that this is then being partnered up with that ebony secondary leather as well. Dark cross beam, which basically removes any of the lighter plastics. Head-up display. It has got absolutely everything. Let's get that roof open. Your heated and cooled seats work from just down on your climate control. Your air suspension just next to that. 360 cameras, navigation, telephone, media all come up on your screen. Refrigerator just under the armrest. So it literally has everything. And if you are looking for an X, or you may be looking for a high-spec Defender, they don't get any higher than an X, so that gives you all the spec that you need. And then with this one, you get a fantastic colour combination, both exterior and interior. It's only done 16,000 miles, 73 registration. It's got everything going in its favour. So if you are interested, pick up the phone, give me a call. My number's at the end of the video. It's also in the description. My name's Paddy. Any questions, I'll get them answered, and I look forward to speaking to you.